Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain how to create a shortcut on the desktop for Google Translate, so you can quickly access the Google Translate page with one click. And the idea of creating a shortcut to access the Google Translate page will save you a lot of time, because with one click the Google Translate page will open. From the Google page, click on the squares at the top right of the page, and from the available Google products, click on Translate. After opening the Google Translate page, click on the three dots at the top right of the page. From the menu, hover the mouse pointer over Cast, Save, and Share, and from the submenu, select and click on the Create Shortcut option. In this step, you can change the name of the shortcut that will be created on the desktop, write the name you want, or leave it to be appropriate, then click on the Create button. Then, the shortcut for Google Translate will be created on desktop immediately. After that, at any time you want to open Google Translate page, double-click on the shortcut, and the page will open directly, in one step. Thank you for watching. And I hope that the video is useful to you. And I hope for your support by subscribing to my channel. I will be happy with your support and subscription. Thank you all.